Meeting new people, making friends, being confident in social situations can be challenging. If you've ever found yourself feeling out of place in a group, unsure how to start a conversation, or lacking the confidence to connect with others, you're not alone. It's very common. I have a totally free gift for you that will help you, and with no strings attached, it could improve your life from this week and is completely free. You can navigate social situations with ease when you know how. You can quickly learn how to walk into any room and strike up friendly, natural conversations with men and women with quiet confidence. You'll boost your self-esteem and overcome social anxiety and awkwardness. You'll build meaningful connections that will improve your personal and professional life. There are links in the description below. Add the code at the checkout and you'll get either my ebook or the audiobook for free. You can download both if you want to. But why is it free? Because every young man deserves the tools to succeed in life. This isn't about gimmicks or sales pitches. It's about helping you become a more confident, socially skilled man from today. That's what Modern Man Academy is all about. Check out my other videos here and click the links below to grab your free copies of Meet, Greet and Prosper to take the first steps towards being more confident, charismatic and socially successful. Please share this video with every young guy you know.